DigitalBix fashion. Tunic tops are one of the most versatile pieces of clothing a girl can ever possess. Though they are the best chic outfits in a girl's wardrobe, styling them can be really tricky task. The only thing easier is shopping for tunic tops online India. Here's the list of 9 best tuning tops for women. Sassy stripper tuning top. A tuning can be paired with anything and everything as per the occasion it is worn on. Couple your basic striped tuning top along with a pair of black leggings and team it up with a pair of strappy kitten heels. Number 2, vintage checked tunic top. Semi-sheer check tunics are quite sassy and classy. Grab this beautiful sheer BTO chiffon tunic top and couple it with distressed blue denim jeans and a pair of white sneakers to get the perfect cool girl look. Number 3, thread work boho tunic top. This is one of the best tunic tops with subtle embroidery details on the neckline. It looks not just vibrant but is also elegant in its own way. Grab this beautiful white blouse tunic and team it with a pair of regular fit jeans. Number 4, blazing bell sleeve tunic top. Bell sleeves are back in fashion. Style this beautiful printed long tunic top along with a black regular fit pants and a pair of nude high heels to get the dramatic and chic look. Muted off-white tunic top. Grab this beautiful off-white tunic top adorned with frilled cuffs along with a pair of white jeans and team this outfit up with a pair of strappy flats to get the most casual look of all time. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashion.